If your LiftMaster or Chamberlain garage door remote isn't working as well as it used to, or maybe you're not getting enough range to it, it's possible that you might need to change the battery. Luckily, that's a really easy fix. All you're gonna need is your remote and a small flathead screwdriver. What you'll wanna do is find the end that has this little cutout in it, and you're gonna put your flathead screwdriver in it, and you're just gonna twist your screwdriver to one side or the other until you can pry these two pieces from each other. Like that. Then you're gonna go around the rest of the way on all sides and keep doing the same thing. Twisting, inserting and twisting, inserting and twisting, inserting and twisting. And you just do it on all four sides, and then it'll open up like this. Oftentimes, this is gonna be a CR2032 battery. That's the battery that you're gonna need. And so all you'd have to do is you can take your same flathead screwdriver, you're gonna pry that out of there, just like that. And then you're gonna go get a new one, obviously. You'll put the new one in. Make sure that you get the buttons lined up. Yours may be a 3 button or a 1 button, but you wanna make sure that the buttons line up with these black circles right here. You're gonna put that on, make sure it's aligned on all four sides properly, and then you're just gonna press it together until it snaps on all four sides. And it's already working better. And that's all there is to it. It's really pretty simple. But if it's something that you don't wanna deal with, or if you have any other problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.